Hi, and welcome to my video. Today, we're covering the topic of ROI of home improvements, renovations, and/or upgrades. The ROI, or return on investment, from home improvements varies based on several factors. The project itself, timing for the project, location, and the real estate market. For the most part, home improvements will not give you 100% return on your investment. We know TV shows feature renovations that make tons of money for house hunters, but that's not realistic for the majority of homeowners. A good average to keep top of mind is 70% ROI for most home improvement and renovation projects. For example, kitchen remodels are always a good investment. Experts say you can expect to see a return of 80% of the cost of the project. Bathrooms, also good investments, will see an average ROI of 70%. Tile floors, 50 to 100%, and swimming pools, 50%. Now, from purely an investment standpoint, there will always be better ways to invest your money than pouring money into your home improvements. So let's get that out there right away. Your home is an appreciating asset, and improving it will always increase the value of that asset, even if the ROI is not 100%. But the biggest reason why ROI is such a huge deal in home improvements is that with renovations and upgrades, you get an increased value in two ways. First, you get the ROI, averaging 70%. Second, you get an improved quality of life with your home. And that's why when the topic of home improvements comes up, the conversation is usually about whether or not it's worth it, not just as an ROI, but also as a contributor to your quality of living. So, what home improvements give the biggest and best returns? We know that the project itself is the biggest factor in determining your renovation's ROI. However, as we mentioned at the start, there's also timing, the location, and the real estate market itself. Some experts agree that those projects that add functional living space or square footage add the most value. But we're going to focus on renovations and upgrades, not on additional living space or square footage. Here are some of the projects with the highest ROI. Renovating and upgrading the kitchen and bathroom. As these two areas are lived in the most, investing in these rooms contributes both ROI and quality of living. And while these improvements can be the most expensive, your return will be a factor of what you invest. In some higher demand housing markets, homeowners could see 100% return or more on renovation expense. This is because these are high value areas to both the current homeowner and the future buyers. The kitchen is one of the most important rooms in the house, and it's also one of the most expensive to upgrade or renovate. If you're thinking about making some changes to your kitchen, it's important to consider the return on investment, ROI, of those changes. A high ROI kitchen update will not only make your home more livable and valuable, it'll also make it more appealing to potential buyers. Some of the best kitchen upgrades to consider if you're looking for a high ROI are installing new kitchen cabinets, updating your kitchen countertops, adding or updating kitchen appliances, and adding or updating kitchen lighting. Each of these upgrades can make a big difference in the look and feel of your kitchen. They can also increase the overall value of your home. Bathrooms are one of the most important rooms in the house when it comes to resale value. In fact, upgrading your bathroom can improve your home's resale value by up to 20%. While a full bathroom remodel can be quite costly, there's also some budget-friendly ways to upgrade your bathroom and still see a good return on your investment. For example, simply installing a new toilet can improve your home's resale value by up to 4%. I think that I've installed the longer oval toilets in at least 6 of my homes over the years. If you go to your home improvement store of choice, look for the Space Saver toilets with the thinner tanks. They have a similar footprint to the smaller round toilets, but offer the long oval shape for comfort. As always, be sure to do your research and calculate the potential ROI before starting. You don't want to pour money into a renovation only to see no return. So, what's the ROI of a bathroom renovation? Typically, a bathroom renovation will cost anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000. The average ROI for a bathroom renovation is about 50%. Which means for every $1,000 you spend on a renovation, you can expect to see a $500 return on your increase in value. Of course, the actual ROI will depend on a number of factors, like the quality of products that you buy. Okay, let's throw out a caution here. Improvements that are more aesthetic with high-end luxury items and materials may not give you a high ROI if you're outside of the norm of surrounding properties. What does that mean? It means if the average bathroom in your neighborhood costs $10,000 to renovate or update, and you spend $30,000, you'll likely see a much lower ROI than 50%. Finishing your basement is listed as having a high ROI of close to 70%, but this is not relevant to Florida, so I'm bypassing the topic. Curb appeal. Any and all exterior features like windows, painting, siding, roofing, driveways, landscaping, etc. can result in an 80% ROI. This is because they improve the look and beauty of your home and also contribute to the security and efficiency of the property. Curb appeal has a big ROI because it's the primary and first impression buyers have of their home. Remember that something like landscaping will have a relatively low cost for materials and products, but a higher cost in terms of labor and time. Tile floors. When it comes to tile floors, there's a good ROI to be had here. Tile floors are a popular choice for many homeowners, and for a good reason. They're easy to care for, they're durable and long-lasting, and they come in a wide variety of types and colors. Although installing tile flooring can be expensive, it can also add a significant amount of value to your home. If you're planning on selling your home in the near future, installing tile flooring is a great way to increase the value and make it more attractive to potential buyers. You can expect to see a return of anywhere from 50 to 100% on your investment. This means if you spend $10,000 on tile flooring, you can expect to see an increase in your home's value of $5,000 to $10,000. Swimming pools. In Florida, it's estimated that having a pool will increase a house value by more than 5 to 8%. This is influenced by climate, trends, cost of pool service and maintenance, pool landscaping, and the lifestyle of buyers. During the pandemic, the value of homes with pools increased because they offered homeowners the safety, comfort, and privacy of recreation in their own home when public recreational places were closed due to restrictions. These projects are some of the higher ROI improvements homeowners can make. Now, timing affects the ROI in many ways, from seasonality to market changes. Location affects the ROI in terms of regions and their climates, distance from major cities or beaches, etc. And the real estate market affects ROI from the economic side. You can see how all these interact and should be considered when determining the ROI on your project. So, what home improvements offer the lowest return on your investment? For the most part, those home improvements that are outside of the norm for your neighborhood or area will give you a lower than average ROI. These are usually defined as aesthetic upgrades focused on luxury or entertainment. The lower than average ROI is mostly because of the simple fact that they're based on personal preference and not valued the same by all home buyers. Here's a short list of examples. Pools and hot tubs, renovations with highly priced materials, luxury kitchen designs, luxury bathroom designs, backyard sports courts, wine cellars, in-home movie theaters. Obviously, the ROI changes if you live in an extremely high income area. So, strictly speaking, in terms of ROI, the best rule of thumb is to ask yourself, is this home improvement renovation upgrade considered the norm in my neighborhood or area? Here's some other questions to ask yourself when considering ROI. Are my materials, appliances, and products available at good prices? Am I adding square footage? Is my renovation going to make my house more functional? How long do I plan to stay in this house? Is my renovation plan more of a trend or a fad? And what may be the most important question, does this enhance my quality of life? This is the question to ask and have full confidence in addressing when you accept an ROI less than 75%, because you're sure that it will enhance your quality of life. How can you calculate the ROI on your planned home improvements? While there's no perfect method for calculating the ROI for home improvements, the best way is an appraisal to determine the fair market value of a home. This is ideal when buying or selling, but not if you're a homeowner and considering the ROI of a home improvement. There's such appraisals for homeowners considering renovation loans, and they're called as completed appraisals. An appraiser can review your renovation plans, assess your current home value, and determine how much value the home improvements will add upon completion. The other option for calculating your ROI is to guesstimate using the 70% average of home improvement ROIs. Remember, no one ever points to home improvements and says, "Wow, what a perfect investment for your money," simply because of the ROI. But I'm pretty sure no one can place a value on what home improvement will contribute to your quality of living. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your home improvement, your renovation, your upgrade. Stay safe and stay healthy. If you're a homeowner and you find these types of videos valuable, click below and subscribe.